Well, good morning. I'm Jagendra Rana. The topic of the day is insurance protection in rural areas. Insurance protection in rural areas. India is predominantly rural with more than 65% of the population residing in the rural areas. Most of the rural people are hardly aware of insurance as a concept, nor have they experienced the benefits of insurance. In the rural areas, agriculture and allied activities are the main occupations and the prime source of livelihood. The target segment of rural insurance consists largely of low income households or individuals who have little savings and limited financial capacity. So the vagaries of the Indian monsoon, leading to droughts, floods, natural disasters, failure of crops, uncertain crop yields, and fluctuating prices, inadequate farmer support services, and existence of predominantly small and marginal farm holdings, weak rural infrastructure, and low financial literacy are some of the key risks and characteristics associated with Indian agriculture and the rural population. So apart from affecting the livelihood and incomes of small farmers, failure of agriculture also affects the food security of the nation and impact the overall economy. The risk management of the agriculture and allied sector and other related risks of the rural population through need-based, simple and affordable insurance products will help in building a robust agrarian economy, and such efforts will lead to an overall self-reliant rural India. The Government of India's initiative through Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana has helped improve the insurance protection for crops in recent years. However, a large number of crops and cropped areas are outside the scope of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and still remain uninsured. These can be served through different tailored indemnity based or weather index based products. So the allied farm risks, medium and small medium enterprises, agro businesses, livestock and other personal insurance needs of rural population are also largely unserved. So main challenges in spreading insurance to rural areas, if you visualize some of the main existing issues and challenges for advancing growth of rural insurance businesses are like lack of awareness and the concept of insurance and its benefits amongst the rural population, limited choice of insurance products with various flexible features, absence of people-friendly and transparent claim settlement mechanism, weak network of insurance companies and intermediaries presence in rural areas, low or slow pace of modern technology adoption in the rural insurance segment, underdeveloped market with constraints in offering affordable covers and proper servicing, lack of industry-wide well-coordinated effort to serve the rural insurance segments. If these are the challenges, then how to overcome these challenges? The first thing is awareness and publicity. Focused publicity campaign need to be carried out for a reasonable period of time on the benefits of insurance, rural insurance products and its features, etc. in print, electronic, social media, through other traditional and innovative ways of reaching out to people, especially rural and semi-urban population throughout the country using vernacular languages. For example, Bima Zaruri Hai. For reference, Association of Mutual Fund in India led an advertising campaign that successfully targeted and generated investment from beginners with catchy slogan, Mutual Fund Sahi Hai. So efforts in this area need to be encouraged, monitored and are led by IRDA through General Insurance Council joint working group involving the insurance industry for continuous technical support to publicity activities, advertisement, content, etc. For the support and involvement of Government of India need to be explored, considering that this initiative would be beneficial to the society and the country at large. It is also in line with the initiative and vision of Government of India of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. So to generate interest and focus amongst the population about insurance, a series of simple articles or bullet points in print and electronic media or social media in vernacular language to be started as a part of publicity campaign, giving information on insurance business and its benefits, knowledge about capacity and nature of national and global insurance industry, various insurance products and its benefits, its importance in economy, and how insurance protection helps in leading self-reliant life and business activities. So insurance product innovation and other enabling steps are also required, like innovative, affordable, tech-based insurance products in the form of package and combi policies that provide a flexible for choice of risk protection offering adequate risk coverage in rural and semi-urban areas are necessary to attract the rural population. So considering the low ticket size of premium per policy and inadequate infrastructure of insurance companies, technology use needs to be encouraged at all levels, from policy distribution, servicing, loss assessment to claim settlement. Insurance companies need to be encouraged to formulate tech-based innovative products, especially package policies, weather-based covers, indemnity-based covers, flexible to accommodate various needs of crops, livestock, farmers, farm laborers, rural artisans, MSME sector, students, rural service sector, etc. A special sandbox phase may be considered inviting innovative products targeting the rural population, agriculture and allied products or allied sectors. Insurance needs from insurance companies, insurtech firms, insurance intermediaries, other research institutions, universities and companies dealing with the rural population and agriculture and allied sector in collaboration with the insurance company. But the insurance companies need to revisit the existing products and revive the network of policy distribution and servicing in rural areas, considering the changed needs, demand and dynamic risk profile of rural risk and latest available modern technology. So creating a competitive scenario amongst insurance companies and recognition of insurers, intermediaries performing exceptionally well in innovative product introduction, product promotion and innovative distribution methods, partnering with government, various formal groups, institutions and successfully promoting rural and agriculture insurance business will go a long way in helping the case of rural insurance. So as a holistic approach, the insurance industry needs to focus not only on product and promotion but also on distribution network, tech-based responsive policy servicing and monitoring mechanism, supportive insurance concept, education of rural population, etc. So the government support in terms of promotion and part sharing of premium subsidy to make the insurance cover affordable for some key products, group of products, package products for rural and vulnerable sections of society, including agriculture, will be big enabler. In general, innovative insurance covers for rural population, crops not covered under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, livestock, macro covers to states, for natural catastrophic risks like drought, flood, cyclone, etc. can be accepted and supported by state government in terms of premium, subsidy, product promotion and policy administration. So there has to be a concept of modern insurance place. Concept of modern insurance place to demonstrate the concept and efficacy of insurance as a risk management tool and to make farmers and rural population aware of benefits of insurance. A special focused efforts need to be made to cover the entire population in the village and their property, farms, crops, farm machineries, vehicles, different village level services, manufacturing enterprises, and other specific insurance needs of the particular village through targeted efforts in few selected villages. So every general insurance company and reinsurance company accepting general insurance business and having office in India partnering with general insurance companies of their choice needs to be involved for piloting the concept. The efforts in selected villages need to be continued for a minimum period of 3 to 5 years so as to make the insurance benefits visible to the community. The concept may be implemented in a minimum of 500 villages in different districts of the country in the first year and increased to a minimum of 1,000 villages in subsequent 2 years. So the choice of villages to be made carefully, considering the various relevant aspects and parameters in order to implement the concept successfully for a period of 3 to 5 years. Various state and central government award-winning villages and villages with track record of implementing various social welfare and environmental-friendly initiatives, villages with a record of community-based participative welfare efforts, etc., and ready to participate and support for successful implementation of the concept may be preferred for implementation. So the insurance companies need to study the risk profile of villages, their insurance needs and expectations of risk management of different sections of villages or village populations and design products as per the need, using latest modern technology for servicing and monitoring the entire insurance process. The insurance companies need to engage insurtech, fintech firms and other specialized agencies for support in the study, product design and the focused implementation of the concept using modern technology at all the levels of insurance processes from marketing, servicing, loss assessment and claim settlement, etc. So to make the premium affordable, financial support needs to be explored through NABARD, other institutions, CSR funds, government support from reinsurance companies, etc. And to keep some of the covers available with very minimum or nominal premium cost so as to have each family and their property, crops having insurance cover and the entire village community will participate in the initiatives. So efforts should also be made to offer existing, ongoing, socially beneficial and affordable government supported life and general insurance schemes. IT-based knowledge pool of various activities and database like insurance profile of villages, insurance needs and products offered, different awareness and techniques and distribution methods, technology used in servicing, loss assessment, claim settlement, etc. to be documented and made accessible to all the participating insurance companies. Efforts are to be made to offer comprehensive insurance protection to all the major insurable risks that villagers are exposed to and making available covers at affordable subsidized cost. So as a special case and considering the pilot nature of the initiatives, provisions should also be made by each insurance company to financial support offers assistance to the villagers, a special supportive contingent share grant in the event of major natural catastrophic events causing losses to insured property due to uncovered natural perils or perils covered but not falling under defined period or conditions during the overall policy period, etc. So loss to insured property due to uncovered risk, losses not supported through state relief or NDRFA grants, other insurance schemes, etc. Senior officials of the insurers, preferably CEOs, CMDs of the companies, to periodically monitor and review progress of implementation in their respective selected villages. Special efforts to be made to popularize the insurance benefits of this initiative in surrounding areas of the selected villages. So this is utilizing existing rural network and government scheme. This all depends upon because various initiatives of rural development, ministry and informal network of SHG members, women SHG members, bank correspondents, Sakhi, BC Sakhis can be used for insurance product distribution and servicing. At present, 11,189 BC Sakhis are available in 11,552 villages of 330 districts of 18 different districts. So, Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India targets to have at least one trained BC Sakhi in each village of the country for providing basic financial services in rural areas. Secondly, insurance companies can have tie-up with different farm input suppliers, financial institutions, rural services, providers to target distribution of small tickets, short duration tailored product covering agriculture and allied risk as bundled product with agriculture inputs and other farm support services. Bank assurance has proved to be more acceptable amongst the rural masses than any other traditional intermediary. So the network and reach of banks in rural areas can be increasingly used for selling rural and agricultural insurance products. Insurance companies strategically targeting rural and micro product can be effective in creating new business opportunities and furthering the growth of general insurance in rural India. So weather index products, hybrid products combining weather index and indemnity based insurance production needs to be marketed for various crops remaining uncovered under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Well designed flexible farm insurance package policies targeting comprehensive needs of crops, livestock farmers, farm implements, etc. can be generated. It can generate a lot of interest amongst the farmers and will help generate sizable business. Various state governments can support such farmer friendly insurance products with part subsidy sharing and can also help in product distribution and claim servicing. Then high value agriculture, contract farming, corporate farming, farmer producers, group activity, group cultivating intensive agriculture with proper farm management practices, reasonably assured farm inputs, good technical support. Need of such farmers are different and needs to be addressed through separate tailored insurance covers. Demand for such covers is increasing continuously and is largely remaining unserved. These farmer groups have good paying capacity and ready to accept innovative covers. Then unified package insurance policies. Risk covers offered under pilot unified package insurance schemes. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, RWBCIS, that is crop insurance, PMSBY, accidental death insurance, PMJJBY, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, life insurance, fire and allied insurance, agriculture pump set and student safety insurance, agriculture sector insurance. So as per the existing guidelines of pilot, UPIS farmer has to compulsorily choose minimum 2 covers other than crop insurance to be eligible for crop insurance subsidy. So pilot UPIS needs to be revived and should be allowed to be implemented along with Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana throughout the country with choice option to the farmers to join and choose the available cover. Options with crop insurance. Provision may also be made for offering additional insurance covers designed suiting to the local area, demand of the farmers, crops and by respective notified insurance company under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana in consultation with the state government. Thank you very much.